My hands are in my pockets. So
waistband.
do you feel safe now? Do you feel safe?
I do.
Okay, then go back to your car and please finish your stop. Please finish your stop.
I will.
Don't extend this. Please finish your stop.
It's a traffic stop.
Okay.
You're supposed to listen to our instructions.
I don't have to listen to your instructions.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Absolutely.
I can go to jail for not listening to your instructions when they're lawful instructions. When they're not lawful instructions, I don't have to listen to them. When you tell me to be quiet, you're telling me I don't have a First Amendment. So you need to figure out what you're doing.
In this encounter, officers initiate a traffic stop for an expired tag. While officers can give commands for safety during a stop, those commands must stay within constitutional limits. As the interaction unfolds, it shifts into a dispute over whether the orders are lawful and whether the driver must comply under the Fourth Amendment.
We'll finish your stop.
I won't pick that. No, I'll do it this way. No, I will do it this way. I can face you. No, I'm allowing you. I'm allowing you to pat me down. So
Turn around and just face away from me. That's all I want, man. That's it.
this is my traffic stop. You understand that, right? This is my traffic stop. It's not
Is it your
yours.
traffic stop?
It is.
So you have blue lights?
I don't have anything.
Stop turning around.
Don't put your
Don't
hands
turn
on
around
me.
on me like that, man.
Don't put your.
Sir.
You just felt me down,
Sir.
man.
I wasn't done.
Listen.
You checked my
Hey,
pockets.
listen to me.
No, I
Look,
don't have to
listen.
listen. You stop talking
You
to me,
need to
please.
listen
It's
to
the
him.
traffic stop. It's his traffic stop.
You
Please
need to
stop.
listen to him and
You
comply to
patted
his
down my
instructions.
pockets. You
I
patted
just
down my
want to make
pockets.
sure
You
that
patted
you're
down
not here to hurt me.
You
That's
just
it.
patted down my pockets where I had
That's
my
all I
hands
want.
in.
That's
And that's
fine.
what I allowed you to
But
do.
don't turn around
That's
on
what
me
I
like
allowed you
that.
to do. That's all right, man.
Okay.
Go write your ticket and let's move forward.
A pat-down search, also known as a Terry frisk, is only lawful when an officer has reasonable suspicion that the person is armed and dangerous. Consent can also justify a search, but its scope is limited to what was agreed upon. Disputes often arise when the scope or justification is unclear.
I wasn't even going to write you a ticket.
Okay, well then let's do what we're gonna
Because
do.
I'm
And
fine.
I did. All I got out was to see that, and I put my hands in my pockets because it's cold.
I
You said
understand
don't. I said I can. I said you are allowed to pat me down if you
Okay.
like, right? Right?
did.
I did allow you to do all that,
And I
correct?
wasn't done with
Okay,
my pat down
but
yet.
you're only allowed to pat down the
No.
areas you're concerned about.
No, I'm only allowed to pat down from the outside.
Okay.
So your waistband,
Okay.
your outside
But my
pockets,
hands are in my pockets. So
waistband,
do
your
you feel
outside
safe
pockets.
now? Do you feel safe?
I do.
Okay, then go back to your car and please finish your stop.
I
Please
absolutely
finish
will.
your stop.
I will.
Don't extend this. Please finish your stop.
Sir, you're making
Extended.
it extended.
What do you
by
mean?
You're not
You're
complying.
extending it by not going back there and handling what we need to do
Okay.
so I can be free on my way.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop must remain limited in scope and duration to the purpose of the stop. Prolonging the stop without additional reasonable suspicion can raise constitutional concerns.
You're extending your stop right now.
I'm not. I'm talking to you
I don't need to talk to you.
because you got out of your car.
Car to look at my tag, yes.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
I did. I asked you when you were walking away, can I get out and look?
You did not.
I did. You just didn't respond to me. I
Okay.
yelled out the window. You didn't hear me. That's your, not mine.
That's fair.
Please handle your business so we can be allowed on our way.
Absolutely. Just hang out here then. Don't go.
I don't need you to give me directives, man. I don't need you to give me directives. Just get in your car and handle what you need to handle, please. Don't scowl at me like that. You work for me, buddy. Don't
No,
scowl
I
at me. Oh, yeah, you do. You do. Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Arkansas State Police.
Okay, well, then that's who you get your money from. It's us citizens. So quit scowling at
Pay
us.
taxes too.
Okay, good for you. You pay your own check then. Because you
Okay.
work for us. So stop scowling, go back, do what you need to do, but quit looking at me like that. Because
And
it's
what?
rude.
And what?
It's rude.
The way you're talking to me is very rude.
No, it's not.
You pointing your finger in my face is rude. You not listening to my
Is your-
partner
is your
very
body
rude.
cam on?
Absolutely.
Good, good. Because
Yeah.
it's not rude that you're sitting here staring at me.
Oh, I'm not allowed to look at you?
I don't care if you look at me, you're staring me down trying to be a tough dude.
No,
Quit.
I'm not.
Yeah, you did. You walked up like a tough dude.
No, I did
Yeah,
not.
you did. Trying to tell me to quit talking and
Because
listen
you
to
were
him.
not listening to
don't,
him.
well, don't talk. Don't.
This is a traffic stop.
Okay.
You're supposed to listen to our instructions.
I don't have to listen to your instructions.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Absolutely.
I can go to jail for not listening to your instructions when they're lawful instructions. When they're not lawful instructions, I don't have to listen to them. When you tell me to be quiet, you're telling me I don't have a First Amendment. So you need to figure out what you're doing.
No. Yeah. You know the law, right?
You know the law.
Do you know the law?
Do you know the law?
I'm asking you a
Do
question.
you know the law?
Absolutely.
Okay, then do your
I do it
job
for a
and do
living.
the law.
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay, move on, man.
I'm
Quit
here
staring
with
me
you.
down.
I'm here with you,
Quit
buddy.
staring me down.
No.
Officers frequently assert that individuals must follow lawful orders, but the legality of those orders depends on context. Courts generally evaluate whether the command was reasonably related to officer safety or the purpose of the stop.
I like the way you
You're
look.
a bully. I can guarantee you're a bully.
A bully?
I can feel it.
A bully?
Yeah?
What are you? What does that make
A citizen
you?
of the United States.
What does that make you?
A citizens of the United States of America. Can you please quit being so jumpy? You're scaring me how
you're
jumpy
scaring
you are
me.
with the gun on you, man.
You're scaring me.
Why did you jump so fast?
Because I don't know what you're about to do.
Pick up what I dropped,
Like,
man.
okay, and I was supposed to know that. Well, how? Can I read your mind?
You guys are a piece of work. You know
Hey,
that?
Benjamin,
So are you.
here's this for you. All that is just a warning for the expired time and no confrontation, okay? The failure to present, alright?
Thank you. So
You're-
is it a ticket or a warning?
It's a warning.
Oh,
It's not a ticket. You don't have a court date.
Thank you.
It does not show up on your record or anything like that. Just saying
This
why
has an incident number on it?
No, because there's no incident here.
Well, you stopped me. So there's,
There's
an
a
incident.
warning.
So there's a warning number
Yeah.
will tie to your guys' body.
Correct. Correct.
And your names are all on it and all that. Walk through.
Correct.
Who's the other officer with you guys?
I don't know his name. I'm not at liberty to discuss that, sir.
Public
You have the
figures.
rest of your day.
Public figures
Take
don't
care.
know.
Just like you, I don't answer questions. Right? Do not walk up on my partner like that. Get in your car.
I'm not walking up on anybody. I'm
Get in
walking
your
across
car.
the parking lot, man.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Get in your car. And leave.
I don't have to leave, first of all. I don't have to leave. That's not a lawful
Okay.
order.
Well,
That's not a lawful
here
order.
is
I'm
a
going to
lawful
step
order.
back.
Step back.
That's not a lawful order. 'Cause
Step back.
You gave me this. Once this is in, it's done.
Then when you
The traffic
approach
stop
another,
is
when you
I didn't approach
another
him. I
trooper,
walked that way.
there's no reason for you to walk towards our cars. There's guns in our cars.
That's fine. You just said you did. Remember, he just said he had a lawful right to tell me I couldn't walk up. You guys are people work. Don't know the law. Don't know the law. You just push your finger like you do. Push your finger like you do, but you guys don't know the law. None of you do. I've worked with you guys quite a bit now, and none of you know the law. You all think you know the law. I'm giving you a lawful order not to walk up on my car. I just walked up on your car. I just walked up on it, man. What's the lawful order? Where's your lawful order? See, I told you, there's no lawful order, is there? Where's the lawful order, man?
Will you give me a chance to explain it?
Go for it. Explain it.
Without, just stop right there.
I'll stop right here. So you'll say.
Okay.
Because you're pretty dumb.
Okay. Allow me a chance to explain it, and don't interrupt me, okay?
Okay.
And I'll be polite about it. As long as you treat me with respect, I'll treat you with respect.
I did treat
okay?
you with respect. You walked up and started treating me without respect. From the start. We can go back. We'll watch it. It's all on video.
Okay. Are you gonna listen to me?
I'm just not going to let you tell me I didn't treat you with respect, since I did. I treated the other guy with respect.
Okay. We can agree to disagree.
No,
Whatever.
there's no disagree. It's all on video.
We can agree to
It's all on
disagree.
video. We don't have to disagree. It's all on video.
Okay. That's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Are you done? Are you ready for me to
I've
explain
been
it?
waiting for you, man. Just start talking
Okay.
instead
So
of playing.
my issue with the entire traffic stop from the start, my partner over there told you to turn around so he could pat you down, right? Because you got out of, listen, you can talk when I'm done, okay? He asked you to put your hands on the trunk of the vehicle there, okay, which you disobeyed, which that is a lawful order. Well, then go to law
Order
school.
when he tells me he's going to pat me down, but I offer him to pat me down.
No,
I offer. Yeah, I did.
it's not an option at that point.
It is an option at that point.
No, it's not. He's a lot nicer than I am.
Searched and seizure.
Listen,
that is my right.
you're being seized once the blue lights are coming on.
You sure?
Yep.
Sure about that?
Absolutely,
You're sure about that?
100%.
and you can just pat me down for no reason.
He had a good reason to pat you down.
Reason? I had my hands in my pocket.
You stepped out of the vehicle.
I had my hands in my pocket.
You stepped out of the vehicle without him knowing, and started walking to his car. That's a sign. That's a sign of a threat.
No, it's not.
Courts have held that officers may order occupants out of a vehicle during a traffic stop. However, labeling behavior as a threat must still be supported by specific, articulable facts, not general assumptions.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Threatened by someone walking to the back of their car, man. You need to get a different job.
No. That's not how it goes. That's not how it works.
Saying, if you're scared of somebody walking to the back of their car, that's a threat. You need to get a different job.
No.
And words out of my
The
mouth.
facts are that you the facts stop. The facts
told me I didn't have either.
the facts
Here we go.
the facts of you getting out of the vehicle without being told to do so, we treat as a threat. Because we are unsure of why you're getting.
Stay in the car.
Do what?
Well, you had to stay in the car. What law says I have to stay in the car? What law says I have to stay in the car?
It's common knowledge, man.
It's not common knowledge.
Yeah, it is.
It's not a common law, is what you're trying to use, and it's not common law.
I didn't say it was a law. I said it's common knowledge.
You don't have no right
Unless I order you out of the car.
laws. You only handle laws, sir. That's your job. You can't say my feelings. This is how
I don't disagree with you.
You have laws you abide by.
Correct.
Abide by your laws, not your feelings.
It's the state law. It's state law. State law. I'm not saying the state law says that you can't get out of your vehicle. But the fact that you got out free willingly and started
Did
walking
I
towards,
threaten him?
we don't know.
Ask him right there. He's right there. Did I threaten him?
I'm just telling you what it
He said,
looks
"I'm gonna
like.
Look at my license plate as soon as he looked up. So, like, there's no threat there, man.
Why are you being so?
And
You're being so
tell
hard-headed.
everybody get out.
You're being so hard-headed.
No, you don't want to listen. You just want to know what you think.
No.
You never want to say, hey, the public is right. Because you guys have such a bad ego thing that you're just always right. You are always right. Say it. I'm always right. Because that's how you feel. I know it. I see it in your face right now.
No.
You're smiling because you know.
No, I'm
You
smiling
know,
because
you go
this is
on a
ridiculous.
stop, when you go on a stop,
I'm
you're
smiling
always
because
right.
this is ridiculous.
You're always right. What's ridiculous?
That's why there's their court
What's
system.
ridiculous is that your man just told me he had a lawful thing to tell me I couldn't walk around the cars, and I did, and nobody did anything. Because why? You guys don't have laws. You only go by laws, but you tell people a lot of bullshit to make them think you have more control than you do. Yeah, roll your eyes, man. Roll them. I love it. I love it because you know what I'm talking about. You guys know you use lingo that makes you seem like you have more control than you do. Like, I'm giving you a lawful order, which isn't a lawful order. It just happened on a stop for a tag, man. A lawful order. A pat down where I got shoved against my truck because I turned around after he patted me down in my pockets where I allowed him to pat me down at. So don't give me this bullshit that you guys have all these rights, all these laws that you can tell me not to walk around a car or not to get out or not to stand here or not to stand there. I can do whatever I want. I'm a free American.
You are.
The only time you have something against me is when you can hand me that piece of paper or haul me to jail. So he handed it to me, and once that's done, it's done. You have no more rights. You can't tell me anything unless I'm breaking a law that the stop is over. It's court case. I can show
There is
you
a court
after
case.
court case
That there
how
is
you
a
guys
there is a
handed
court
the
case.
paperwork in, and then you tried to do something else, and it got thrown out of court because the traffic stop is over once you hand me the citation.
Unless there's some other probable cause.
Okay, what other probable cause do you have?
I'm not saying there was any.
Well, then don't give me directives. If I want to walk around the car, I can walk around the car. That's what I'm saying. You don't have no laws to back that.
Okay, well, go home, lay your head on your bed, and sleep good tonight. Okay.
What's that supposed to mean?
Just go home, lay your head on your pillow,
I'm not going
and
home.
sleep
I'm
well.
following you the rest of the day.
No, you won't, because then you will be arrested because that's harassment.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Hey, you know what?
That's a lawful order.
It's
that's
my
a lawful
legal
order.
right. It's for my
This encounter highlights key constitutional limits. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers must articulate specific facts to justify a pat-down or extended detention. Vague claims of a threat may not be enough. The First Amendment protects the right to speak, even critically, as long as it doesn't interfere. Not every command in a stop is automatically lawful.